The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 5: 11 Steps to Create Urgency in Sales. Creating a sense of urgency in sales is essential to closing deals and driving revenue. When customers feel like they need to act quickly to take advantage of an opportunity, they are more likely to make a purchase. Here are 11 steps to create urgency in sales. 1. Identify a time-sensitive offer. Create an offer that has a specific end date or time limit. This could be a limited-time discount, a special promotion, or a product that is only available for a short period of time. 2. Highlight the benefits. Emphasize the benefits of your product or service and how they can help solve your customer's problem or meet their needs. Make it clear that waiting could mean missing out on these benefits. 3. Use scarcity. Create a sense of scarcity by letting customers know that there is a limited quantity of your product or service available. This can create a fear of missing out, FOMO, and motivate customers to act quickly. 4. Use urgency in your messaging. Use urgent language in your messaging, such as, limited time offer, or, act now. This can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to take action. 5. Create a sense of competition. Let customers know that others are interested in your product or service and that they need to act quickly to secure their spot. This can create a sense of competition and motivate customers to act. 6. Offer a bonus for acting quickly. Offer a bonus or incentive for customers who act quickly, such as a free gift or additional discount. This can encourage customers to act quickly and take advantage of the offer. 7. Use social proof. Use social proof, such as customer reviews or testimonials, to show that others have already taken advantage of your offer. This can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to act. 8. Create a sense of exclusivity. Create a sense of exclusivity by offering your product or service to a select group of customers. This can create a sense of urgency and motivate customers to act quickly to secure their spot. 9. Use countdown timers. Use countdown timers on your website or in your emails to create a sense of urgency and let customers know that time is running out. 10. Follow up. Follow up with customers who have expressed interest in your offer and remind them of the deadline or time limit. This can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to act. 11. Make it easy to act. Make it easy for customers to take advantage of your offer by providing clear instructions and a simple checkout process. This can encourage customers to act quickly and take advantage of the offer before it expires. In conclusion, creating urgency in sales is essential to driving revenue and closing deals. By following these 11 steps, you can create a sense of urgency and motivate customers to act quickly to take advantage of your offer. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 6 to 11 Steps to Use Social Proof in Sales.